The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending force since the crypto market slump of May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost pointedly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some solidification, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 28 cents. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will find opportunity to recuperate from this defeat before it can turn productive. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and market analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Consequently, they begat the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement system, block validators, and make more youngster chains of its own. Algorand, the ALGO token. Algorand Organization's group has delivered interface libraries that will be an innovator. The organization likewise brought a novel token ALGO that is currently a significant hit at the eminent trades coordinating speed with other digital currency. Vantage ALGO, the huge potential. For installments, coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most minimal charges. Algorand savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, conclusion, security, and cost adequacy. AS-CONES can consequently uphold custom guidelines and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. AS-CONES are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand reinforced gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand brilliant agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, exhibiting the future Phi. The strength of Algorand lies in its component, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the ALGO token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana according to their declaration to give upgraded interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that merchants that are utilizing Sparkle can share their computerized tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Why is Algorand known as the Ethereum executioner? Ethereum will relocate from POW to POS, while Algorand utilizes the unadulterated verification of stake system. This implies Algorand overwhelms concerning adaptability, and these variables will clearly help the Algorand cost rise. In any case, merchants ought to allude to Ethereum cost expectation and Algorand figures prior to going into any digital forms of money. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and opinions of the dealers and financial backers. Thus, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes essential. Algorand coin has seen a great deal of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top organizations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this organization, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the computerized resources technique, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has likewise cooperated with Algorand to make blockchain framework. Another significant association is among Algorand and Symbol. With this coordination, Algorand will have a security join forces with the BTP combination. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more different and energetic. In addition to that, the flight organization Air Europa has reported that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. TravelX will likewise be essential for this cooperation and assist with circulating Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock dissemination and the executives. And that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a ton of other tremendous organizations, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipJump Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Every one of this shows the strength and soundness of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. A regularly noticed characteristic of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating conduct like other digital currencies. The brain research of clients incredibly drives the crypto market feelings. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Expectation 2022. With organizations and local areas subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close 60 cents, which is plus 81.81% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand figure, however doubtlessly practical, instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon tomorrow. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 20 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of murky days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost gauge, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 50 cents with a greatest cost of 68 cents and least cost of 30 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play predictable. Algorand Value Forecast 2024. In the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the ALGO coin could reflect enormous development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand cost will scale to a pinnacle of 75 cents, which is plus 127.27% to the most recent cost. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 40 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Algorand has previously taken on the POS component and accordingly has colossal development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 90 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception in the past push the cost of Algorand, the organization is very famous, with various undertakings based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of $1, which is plus 203.03% of Algorand cost today. The street ahead. Will ALGO value ascend in 2030? As per Algorand Cost Expectation 2030, the estimated crypto cost will exchange above $1.50 by 2030. The ALGO coin will ascend to $2 by December 2030, addressing an enormous upswing of plus 500% to the ongoing cost at the hour of composing the video, as indicated by our drawn-out ALGO cost forecast. The Algorand cost could reach 5 cents. With a 5-year speculation, your ongoing venture might be depreciated. The Algorand figure appraises the most extreme cost to hit 3 cents toward the finish of 2023 and 2 cents toward the start of 2024. ALGO cost forecast expresses that future costs would cross $4, and its return for money invested rate will be around 1,000.